Good morning students, I am Poonam Gidwani, your EVS teacher, and today we will continue second part of chapter number 1, Relation and Relatives. In previous part we did the story of Jamna. Jamna lives in city with her parents, and during the Deepavali vacation she visits her village. She visits her grandparents and she was very happy. So let's do some exercise in this part. So first exercise, how many members are there in your family? What is your relationship with them? Complete this table. So students, you will have to write here the numbers of family members and your relationship with them. For your help, I am giving an example. In my family, there are 4 members. Okay. So first member is Sumit, and Sumit is my father. In the same way students, you will write all the family members, names and their relationships with you. So complete the table and name the relations given in the following table. It is very interesting exercise students, and we will learn about many new relations. First, father's father. Earlier we discussed what is the word for father's father. Come on. Try to speak. Yes, right. Grandfather. Father's father is grandfather. And we use many words like Dada, Dadu, Dadaji, sometimes Baba. Okay. And mother's sister. Here is a new relationship. Students see, here is our father. If we are talking about the sister of our father, that is aunt. Okay. And if we are talking about the mother's sister, that is also aunt. But the difference is, when we are talking about the relatives from mother's side, we will use the word maternal. Maternal aunt. So in Hindi, mother sister is Masi, and if we are talking about father sister, that is also aunt, and in Hindi that is our Bhua. But with the relatives from our father side, we will use the word paternal. Okay students? Father's younger brother, we have earlier discussed it, that is called uncle. Okay, in Hindi we say chacha or chachu. Uncle's wife, here is the same word again, that is aunt. In Hindi we call chachi, chachi ji. Mother's father. I told you already that whenever we are talking about relatives from our mother's side, what is the word we will use? Right, maternal. So the first word is maternal, and the second word for the father of our mother is grandfather. So student, the father of father or the father of mother, both are same, grandfather, but with the mother side we will use the word maternal, and with father side we will use the word paternal. In Hindi, maternal grandfather is our Nana or Nanaji or Nanu. Now father's elder brother, here is the same word, that is uncle, and in Hindi we say Tauji. Okay. Here is the next word, mother's brother. Again we will use the same word for mother side, that is maternal. So students, earlier we discussed the brother of our father, that was uncle. Brother of our mother is also uncle. So it is maternal. Uncle means mother's brother is our mama or Mamu. Father, sister, earlier we discussed it, that is our Bua, and in English that is aunt. Or you can write paternal, because the relatives from our father's side we use the word paternal, and from mother's side we use the word maternal. Now here is a new relation, that is uncle's daughter. Now uncle's daughter is our sister, but we use the word cousin, okay? Uncle's son, here is the same word for the daughter or the son of our uncle, that is our cousin. Students, whenever we use this word cousin, no need to write sister or brother, okay? Father's mother, we have already discussed it, that was Jamna's grandmother. The mother of our father is grandmother. In Hindi we say Dadi or Dadiji, and sometimes Amma also. And here is mother's mother. So student, the mother of our father is grandmother. In the same way, the mother of our mother is grandmother. But the difference is, here we will use the word paternal, and here we will use the word maternal. Is it clear? It's Dadima or Dadi. Here is Nanima or Nani. Is it clear, students? It was very interesting exercise. So now let's continue the story. Jamna lives in a city with her parents. We have earlier discussed it. Thus, in many families, some members stay away from home due to different reasons. Because Jamna is not living in village with her grandparents. Jamna is living with her parents in city. सो आपकी फैमिली में भी बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो हमारे साथ नहीं रहते, एंड देयर आर सो मैनी रीजंस, financial reasons, health reasons, family issues, and so many issues. So student, here is the table, and if any member of your family is staying away from home, ऐसा कोई member जो घर से दूर रह रहा है, आपके साथ नहीं रह रहा, give the information about them in the table given below. आपको उनके बारे में information देनी है. I am giving you an example and you will complete the whole table. Okay student? So I am giving you my example. Serial number 1. Name of the member staying away from family. The name is Ashish. Okay students, and my relation with Ashish, Ashish is my brother, and Ashish is living in city. So in the same way you will complete the table. If any member of your family is not staying with you with your home, okay, so let's find out. Now do this also. Note down the name of family members and prepare the family tree. It is a very interesting exercise for you. You will have to prepare a family tree and note down all the names of your family members. So now you must be wondering how to prepare a family tree. Is it like a real big tree? No students, you will prepare the family tree like this. It's just an example. You will write here your name. You will write here your mother's name, your father's name, your grandmother, grandfather. So students, tell me, here I have written grandmother twice and grandfather twice. Why? It's mother of our mother and father of our mother, and here father of our father and mother of our father means maternal grandparents and paternal grandparents. You can paste the pictures also. Here is an example for you of a family tree. So students, in the same way you will prepare your family tree. You will write the names, you will paste the pictures if you have the pictures. Okay students? So let's continue the stories. Jamna's uncle and aunt. We have earlier discussed what is the meaning of uncle. The father's brother, and aunt is uncle's wife. Okay, students? So Jamna's uncle and aunt were living in a village with the grandparents. Jamna is not living with the grandparents, but Jamna's uncle and aunt were living in village with the grandparents. So 2 years after their marriage, whose marriage? Their uncle and aunt's marriage. Aunt gave birth to a lovely daughter. Means there was a new member in their family, that was Jamna's cousin, because we have earlier discussed that the daughter of our uncle is our cousin. Now Jamna got a new sister. All family members were happy because there was a new member in the family. It was a small baby. So everyone in the family was very happy. Uncle was also very happy to be a father. Now uncle is a father because uncle got a daughter. Jamna was very happy to know that she got a little sister because the daughter of uncle is Jamna's sister. Now Jamna was very happy and Jamna was very excited to see her new sister. After some time in vacation, Jamna went back to village to see that little doll, Jamna's cousin, Jamna's sister. So Jamna was very happy, and in Jamna's vacation, earlier we discussed about Deepavali vacation, so it must be a summer vacation or winter vacation. Okay, so Jamna went back to village to see that little doll. There she saw that all family members were taking care of the baby because a baby needs too much care, and in village there are joint families, and in joint families all family members take care of the baby, but in nuclear family only the parents of the baby take care of the baby, because in nuclear family there are only parents. So students, let's do an interesting exercise. Have any new members been added to your family due to birth और मैरिज? हमारी फैमिली में नया मेंबर कैसे ऐड होता है? या तो किसी की मैरिज होती है या फिर किसी का बर्थ होता है. तो क्या आपकी फैमिली में ऐसा हुआ है? अगर हुआ है, if yes, then what is your relationship with her or him? Here you will write any new member of your family that is added on your family. So I am writing here my example. I am writing here sister. Okay, that is my cousin. In the same way you can write your own example. Okay student, so it was all about our second part. In next part we will continue the story of Jamna and we will do some interesting exercise also. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.